Verifying your PayPal account is essential for ensuring security and accessing all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found by clicking on your profile icon. This section contains various options for managing your account. Step 3. Find the verification section. In the account settings, look for the verification section. This may be labeled as account verification or get verify. Click on it to see the steps you need to complete. Step 4. Add and confirm your bank account or card. To verify your account, you'll need to link a bank account or credit/debit card. Follow the prompts to add your financial information, and PayPal will send a small deposit to your bank account for confirmation. Step 5. Confirm the deposit. Check your bank account for the small deposit made by PayPal. Once you see it, return to your PayPal account and enter the amount to confirm your bank account. This step completes your verification process. Completing these steps will help you verify your PayPal account, allowing you to use all its features securely.